Hey, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change the tire for Traxxas, pretty much any RC car, pretty much. But you want to take your T-wrench here. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You want to grip it with your, well, if you're doing this with your left hand, you can do it with your right. Hold the tire. You want to turn it to the left. It doesn't have to be, when you tighten it back up again, it doesn't have to be too tight. And you only want to change your tire whenever you can run your finger up against it. It kind of looks like a street tire, like no traction at all. Set that out of the way. You're going to take your new tire, a lot more traction. You want to just put the inside of the tire like this on there, like so. And then you want to take your, oh no, that's not good. Oh, yeah, you don't want to lose this. This right here to hold your tire into place, you don't want to lose that. That's for sure. So you just tighten it up with your fingers. Tighten it up as much as you can with your fingers. You want to take your T-wrench again and tighten it up. A little righty-tighty. And you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Turn the tire just a little bit. You see the tire can spin freely. You don't hear any crack or nothing. Usually if you tighten it a little too tight, you'll hear like a little rattle. So no rattle, that's another way you can test it too. Alright, and see you next time. Bye.